Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion on Linux full guide. First, pick a method, native Linux build or a browser. Next, install with your package manager or a community package, then sign in and enable syncing. Create a starter workspace, import key pages, and set up hotkeys. I will walk you through templates, offline usage, and common fixes so you feel confident using Notion on Linux every day. Set up syncing by signing into your Notion account and confirming two-factor if used. Create a primary workspace, invite collaborators, and assign page permissions for edit or view access. Configure offline mode and select pages to cache so you can work without internet. Adjust sync frequency and resolve conflicts by reviewing page history. These steps keep your data consistent and accessible whether you use the native app or a browser on Linux. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is my pick for reading documentation and long notes on the go, with a crisp screen and great battery life. It pairs nicely with a Linux workflow for reading exported pages or PDFs. Check the video description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start with a few core templates: project board, meeting notes, and a personal dashboard. Learn essential keyboard shortcuts to insert blocks, toggle views, and jump between pages faster. Use nested databases and filtered views to focus on priorities, and add icons or emojis to visually separate sections. Regularly archive completed tasks and keep a single inbox page to triage items. These habits streamline your workflow and make Notion feel like a natural part of your Linux setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.